You had much better luck than I. Oh, there you go. This is so much fun, isn't it, Wednesday?
It is, Mother.
Yes, it is. We have such a knack for creating things. Oh, would you like to make something with me for Halloween?
Yes, Mother.
Oh, lovely. Lurch! Oh, there he is.
You rang?
Yes, thank you so much, Lurch. Thank you. We'll be making a craft with this now. That's all. Thank you so much, Lurch.
Bye, Lurch.
Well, Wednesday, if you could please move our guns. There you go. Be careful, that's hot. And I know you like pain, darling, but please be careful when you're handling hot glue guns. Children really shouldn't handle them. Well, what we're going to do today is we're going to make skeleton stands, or skull stands, I should say. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to need these little things. Oh, lovely. Since we're doing skulls, that's absolutely appropriate. Oh my goodness, you're just dismembering her altogether. Anyway, we went to the Dollar Tree. Yeah, I know, that's not a place I would usually go because we're so wealthy and rich and classy, but the Dollar Tree is full of treasures, and so we got these crystal little, what are these, paper candle holders?
Candelabras.
Yes, that's it. There you go. And then what do we do, darling? Because we love this color, we painted black. That's all we did. We just took acrylic paint and we painted it black. Then we're going to get these little discs that are also at the Dollar Tree, and we're also going to cover them with paper. We also need some skulls and some glittery, nice shimmery glittery ribbon, and then some regular ribbon if you want to. Some black and white, and lovely ribbon, and some paper, which I forgot to get. And I think that's it, and a pen. So that's all you really need. And also, if you want to, you can use some coffee filters. Yes, you'll see how. And that's pretty much it. So what paper would you like to cover your disc with?
I would like the cobwebs.
Cobwebs, that's lovely. Okay. I think we can do two at once. We fold it over. Let's see. Does it fit? Yes, it fits. Oh my gosh, I'm brilliant. So, you're just going to take this. Where's the pen? Circle the pen. You want to do the circle?
Sure.
Here, you do the circle. Actually, you know what? Yeah, go ahead, do the circle. Very nice. Wednesday is very crafty, I have to say. Witchcrafty. Okay, so we're going to fold it like this. So we're going to make 4 discs, top and bottom. You want to cut?
Okay.
But you like to cut things.
I do.
You do like to cut things. Look at how perfect. See? Now she's cutting appropriately. You know why? Because when you're cutting with scissors, you move the paper, not the scissors. See? She's doing it perfectly. It's so exciting to watch paper cutting. Okay, wonderful. Now, you're going to take your glue gun. This is the fun part. And the glue gun is extremely hot. There you go. Perfect. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Snip. Perfect. Awesome. Awesome blossom. Just throw it on the floor, honey. We have servants for that. And make sure you get some right in the center. Real easy, isn't this, people? Lurch, I might need a glue stick. Lurch, in that box, I might need an extra glue stick. I didn't notice that. See? Ooh, I just ran out. Thank you, Lurch. Very kind of you, Lurch. Would you like to stay and watch, Lurch? Would you like to stay and watch? Stay and watch. Okay. Lurch likes to stay and watch. That's all you do. Next up, we're going to cover the side of the styrofoam with the ribbon. So you pick whichever ribbon you want.
Black.
Oh, lovely.
Like my soul.
There you go. Oh, so lovely. And I'm going to take the keys because it gives it a little bit of a vintage look. Here, we can give Lurch the ribbons when we're done. Thank you, Lurch. Oh, well, there you go.
Oh no.
That's okay. Oh, Lurch is so good. So good. We've had him forever. Literally. I think Grandmama had him as a servant, and then great-grandmama, and then great-great-grandmama. We just keep reviving him.
Ever since I was a baby.
Yes. But you know, good help is hard to find, so we just revive it. And he's a lovely person, Lurch. He really is. Ladies, he's single, tall, dark, and handsome, and creepy. But we like him that way, don't we? You'll find somebody just like Daddy. You'll see. Handsome and charming, just like Gomez. Romantic. That's the kind of relationship goals everybody should have, honey. There's nothing like trying to kill each other to really appreciate life with each other.
Like I tried to do to Pugsley.
That's exactly. Well, that's love. That's how we show love in this family. You know, it's just, death is just another phase of life. So take your little stand.
Okay.
And we're going to put this stand right in the middle. So you can either put the glue here. It's cute, huh? Mm-hmm. Mine's a little messy. It's okay. It's fine. The fun of arts and crafts is making it look like it's homemade. You don't want it perfect. Besides, it's Halloween, and things aren't supposed to be perfect for Halloween. Now, you can either put the skull. Ooh, look at you, yours is perfect. You can put it in the middle, put it to the side. Now, the reason I have the coffee filters is if you wanted to give this like a little bit of a Shakespearean vibe, you can make a little collar for him. I mean, it's up to you, or you can use the glitter, whatever you want to use.
I hate glitter.
You hate glitter? Well, lately there's been a little too much glitter, so you just cut out the circle. See how it's already looking? And I'm serious, people. If you ever are like in a desperate look for, you know, a Halloween costume, just take coffee filters and you can make like Elizabethan collars and, you know, cute little, you know. I'm not kidding. It's really cool. It's all about fun. All about fun. Careful you don't glue yourself to the coffee filter. Although I'm used to the glue pain, and I kind of like it, the hot glue pain. And once you get the collar down, then you can put your little skull right there. Doesn't that look handsome? It looks so handsome. I mean, okay. Let's try the glitter, why don't we?
I like it like this.
Okay. Here, you know what? Here's the best thing. Look, you can use these little leaves. Go ahead, put it down, and then you can use these little leaves to cover any mistakes you made. See? Not that you made any mistakes, but it's okay. It wasn't you, it was the coffee filter that made the mistake. So you get the gist of it. That's my favorite phrase. A nice romantic rose there on the side. You don't have to take the rose apart. You want to take the rose apart?
I wanted the petal.
Oh no, the petals are here, sweetie.
Oh.
Okay. Right. Do beautiful macabre decorations. Just like this. Isn't this fun? How's it look from over there? Looks good. And I think we are done.